Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Alchemy. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price line of Alchemy was moving at the neckline of a head and shoulder pattern on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, and this is about to be a 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that finally a few hours ago, we have completely broken down this neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this descending triangle and from this falling wedge pattern. And on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and we will also take a look at this breakout as well. And I would also like to show you this very long-term resistance that is coming from the month of January 2022. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and now despite this long spike, the price and could not break out this resistance on the 7 days time frame chart. And on a monthly time frame chart, by the way, you can see that once again the price of Alchemy is rejected this very long-term resistance, the horizontal resistance of this big ascending triangle. Right now, we are moving at the support of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21, this red line on this monthly time frame chart. That can be a very huge support. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for Hive, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 7th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Alchemy. And first of all, let me show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that Alchemy has completed the formation of a head and shoulder pattern and also broke down the neckline of head and shoulder pattern. This was the left shoulder and the head, and this was the right shoulder of this head and shoulder pattern. And here we had the neckline approximately at 2.92 cents. Now finally we have broken down this support or neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. Now if we take a look at the target for this breakdown, then technical target for this breakdown is by the way here at this next long-term support here at 1.45 cents. But before that, we have so many support levels, by the way. We have already broken out this big descending triangle on the daily time frame chart, and the previous resistance of the triangle can again work as support. And also, we have this support of the triangle that is, in fact, a very long-term support of 2 cents. And after that, after breaking this support, the next support will be here at 1.77 cents. That was previously breaking a support here, and again, it can work as a strong support. And then we have this support of 1.45 cents. That is also the target for the breakout from this head and shoulder pattern. By the way, this is also a quite long-term support. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.45 cents has been previously breaking as support here. And before that, it was breaking as a resistance here for a few weeks. Let me just zoom this chart out, then it will be more visible. You can see that for a few weeks it has been working as a resistance here and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support. However, in my opinion, it will be difficult for the price line to hit that target. Yes, it is possible that the price line may hit the support of this big ascending triangle. Now we are switched to the monthly time frame chart, and here we have the formation of this big ascending triangle. And the support of the triangle will be approximately at 2 cents, where we also have this very long-term support of 2 cents. On the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that this 2 cents is working as a very strong support for the past several weeks and months. Before that, it was working as support here. And for a few weeks, it has been working as a resistance here as well. And again, it can work as a strong support. And after testing this support of 2 cents and this uptrend line support of this big ascending triangle, we may see another price reversal to the upside. However, before that, we also have a very strong support of EMA 21 as well, this red line. This is the EMA 21 support on this monthly time frame chart. And previously, it was working as a resistance. And now after the breakdown for the past 3 months, you can see that it is working as a nice support. We have tested the support here. And in the previous month, we had a long spike to the downside up to the support of this triangle, but the pricing could not break down the support of EMA 21. Right now, we are again moved at exactly at this support of EMA 21. And it's possible that we may have a spike up to the support of the triangle, and the price may not break down this EMA 21 like in the previous month it did here. And here we in the month of December 2024, we also had a long spike to the downside, but the price could not break down this EMA 21. So it is possible that we may just have a spike on the monthly time frame chart up to the support, approximately at 2 cents in the price, and may not break down this EMA 21 support. However, in case of breaking out this big ascending triangle, we can expect a very, very massive rally. First, let me to show you the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, because so far we did not hit the target for this falling wedge pattern. That was, by the way, broken out here in the month of January 2023. And the target for the breakout from the wedge is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 10 cents. And now if we take a look at the long-term target, in case of breaking out this very, very huge ascending triangle, and technical target for the breakout from this huge ascending triangle will be here. That will be approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.